So in this session, we are going to discuss about Euler's theorem for homogeneous function. Euler's theorem for homogeneous functions. So what is the statement of Euler's theorem? If f is a homogeneous function, if f is a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y, then x into dou f by dou x, y into dou f by dou y equal to n into f. So this is the statement of Euler's theorem. Here f is a homogeneous function in terms of two number of variables x and y. Suppose f is a homogeneous function in terms of three number of variables. The Euler's theorem is x into dou f by dou x, y into dou f by dou y plus z into dou f by dou z equal to n into f. So this is statement of Euler's theorem in three number of variables. Now f is a homogeneous function of degree n in x and y, and first and second order partial derivative of f are exist and continuous, then x square into dou squared f by dou x square plus 2xy into dou squared f by dou x dou y plus y squared into dou squared f by dou y squared equal n into n minus 1 into f. So this is the generalization of Euler's theorem in terms of three number of variables. So this is the statement of Euler's theorem. For verification of this statement, we are going to solve some problem. See, question number 1. If u equal sine inverse of x plus y by root x plus root y, then prove that x into dou u by dou x, y into dou u by dou y equal to 1 by 2 tan u. Now the given function u in terms of two number of variables. So you write the given function as u equal given u is a function in terms of x and y. Sine inverse of x plus y by root x plus root y. We are going to solve the problem by using the statement of Euler's theorem. First, you are going to verify this is a homogeneous function of which degree. For changing this as a homogeneous function, the sign inverse to left side. So your function is nothing but sin u of x comma y equal x plus y by root x plus root y. But how to calculate degree of this homogeneous function? For getting the degree in a given function, instead of x and y, we are going to replace tx and ty, where t is here some non-zero constant, that is positive constant. So x is tx, y is ty by denominator square root of tx square root of ty. On the numerator, take t is common. Denominator, you take root t is common. So root x plus root y. Now simplify this. T power 1 by denominator root t, t power 1 by 2. You are having t power 1 by 2 into x plus y by root x plus root y. But you know x plus y by root x plus root y is nothing but t power 1 by 2. This is nothing but sin u of x comma y. F is a homogeneous function is of degree n, then f of tx comma ty equal t power n into f of x comma y, then n is called the degree of the homogeneous function. So here also instead of f we have sin u and n equal to 1 by 2. So n equal to 1 by 2. This is degree of the homogeneous function. Now you know what is the statement of Euler's theorem? By Euler's theorem, x into dou f by dou x, y into dou f by dou y equal to n into f. So here instead of f, sin u is given. So in this statement we are going to substitute. Now here you are going to take f equal sin u, n equal 1 by 2. So our statement becomes x into dou by dou x of sin u, y into dou by dou y of sin u, n is 1 by 2, f is sin u. Now differentiate sin u. You know what is the derivative of sin? It becomes cos. So derivative of sin is cos and derivative of u with respect to x is dou u by dou x. Here also derivative of sin u cos u, then differentiate u partially with respect to y equal to 1 by 2 sin u. Now on the left side, just to take cos u is common, x into dou u by dou x, y into dou u by dou y equal 1 by 2 into sin u. So take the function cos u to the left side or divide this equation by cos u. We get x into dou u by dou x, y into dou u by dou y equal 1 by 2 into sin u by cos u. But you know what is sin by cos? Sin by cos is nothing but tan. So x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to 1 by 2 tan u. Hence proved. So this is the problem.